God, why do I do this to myself? I don't learn at all. Hi, welcome to Big Foodie Geek. This is another one of those videos where I put myself through something absolutely stupid just to kind of entertain you lot and just to see if I can do it. If you've been on the channel before, or if you've come across me doing one of these videos before, then you'll know that sometimes I put myself through spicy food challenges, sometimes by myself.
I'm also getting nice flavour of snot now.
Or sometimes with my friend Stiv.
Oh no, it's making me sweat.
To be fair, I've only done a spicy food challenge with Stiv once, and that was probably enough for him. After that death nut challenge, I should have sworn off these because that was horrific. And hey, here I am again doing another one of these challenges because, to be honest, I'm going to be moving soon. I need to stock up on videos so that when I am moving and don't have time to film, I have a stash of videos to put up, and this is going to be one of them because, to be honest, it's an easy one to do because it's just going to be me standing here trying to endure spicy food. So today I'm going to be tackling the toe of Satan. I know, just from the name it sounds bad. And this was actually like really popular challenge trending thing probably about 4 years ago. So as usual, I am well behind the curve, but I only started my channel 4 years ago, so I didn't have time to get on the bandwagon. So here I am 4 years late getting on the bandwagon, or at least waving to the bandwagon as it has head off into the horizon. Seeing as I haven't done it, I might as well do it. So the toe of Satan is a lollipop. And it says on the back, from Flamethrower Candy Company comes possibly the hottest candy on the planet. Do you dare attempt to conquer this sinister lollipop? The toe of Satan has been spawned from a devastating 9 million Scoville unit chili extract, guaranteed to scorch any mortal's tongue. Can you survive 5 whole minutes of intense heat? That's what you got to do. You got to last 5 minutes with this thing in your mouth, and it's not going to be pleasant because it said it uses chili extract, so the extract is going to be really, really hot. And unlike other challenges where you put something in your mouth and you chew it up and swallow it, this is going to be in your mouth the entire time. So it's going to be horrific, but it's still not as hot as the Death Nut Challenge, which was 12 million Scovilles. But again, that was only like a fleeting moment of putting it in your mouth and then having to suffer through it. But this is going to be in my mouth for a whole 5 minutes. So it's not going to be pleasant. Right, I've got my emergency milk right here, but I'm not going to touch that until I've done this challenge. I'm determined to do this one because if I can do the Death Nut one, I can do this one. Right, let's take this thing out of the box. Oh, it's like pulling off Satan's condom. Oh, right, it certainly smells spicy. It smells, yeah, it smells like chili, but it doesn't smell too bad. But of course, with something like this, it's never going to smell as bad as it's going to taste. So I need to set up a timer for 5 minutes as soon as I put this into my mouth. So I'm going to ask my Alexa to do that in a second. Let's not put it off, let's just get going. Right, toe of Satan. Computer, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
Oh wow, that is spicy straight away. So, yeah, I'm just going to have to stand here with this in my mouth and try and, I don't know, talk, I suppose, but to be honest, I will probably fast forward through this, not cut, so you actually see that I am doing it, but you don't really need to see me doing this for 5 minutes uncut. There is actually a bit of flavour to it. It doesn't taste too bad, but it is really, really spicy. Okay, that just hit the back of my throat. That's going to be unpleasant. Oh dear. Okay, it's building up. Oh, this is not going to be good. Oh dear, this is not going to be good. Oh, it really doesn't taste that bad, but the spice is building up incredibly quickly. Incredibly quickly. Oh. When it's on your tongue, that's one of the worst bits. But it's when it goes down your throat. I can feel it in my ears now, and it's probably not even been a minute. Computer, how long left on the timer?
You have 3 minutes and 20 seconds left on your 5 minute timer.
Oh, that's not as bad as I thought. I mean, it's still not good, but at least it's not been as long as I thought it had. I'm struggling with things to say. If I can talk, perhaps I can talk my way through this. But it's just getting really, really building up on my tongue. It's really unpleasant. And because it is like a lollipop, and there's no taking it out of your mouth, there's no getting away from it, there's no chance for it to recede. You can hear how I sound. I mean, part of that is how, like, this is in my mouth still, so I sound like an idiot. But my tongue is hurting so much. I'm struggling. I really am. Oh. I'm gonna do a dance, I'm gonna pretend to be happy. Oh, yeah. Let's just think about happy things. Right, soon I'll be in a nice new house, which is nicer than this one, in a nicer area. I'll have a proper garden. Have a nice new kitchen with a gas hob. It's gonna have a gas hob. I love gas hobs. So much better than the electric ones. Oh boy. That's my watch just died. At least my watch died, not me. Although there's still time. Oh god. Computer, how long left on the timer?
You have 1 minute left on your 5-minute timer.
Well, 1 minute left, come on. I can do this. Oh, this might be worse than the Death Nut Challenge. Oh, must be nearly there. Come on Matthew, you can do it. You can do this. Oh, hot. Oh, this is awful. Oh my god, I'm done. I am done. I am done. Give me the milk. Tell me to stop. Oh, that was just getting into unbearable territory. Oh my god. That's horrific. That is so bad. Oh. I need the rest of the milk. Oh, it's just not going away. How is it getting worse? Don't do this. Whatever you do, don't do this.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Oh, this is worse than the Death Nut Challenge because it just lingers. I don't know how much milk I've drunk so far. It must be about 3 pints, but it's still really, really bad. This is the last of my milk. I might have to top this up with water because this isn't going to cut it. I'm going to turn this off for a moment just because it's just me suffering. I'll be back when this is subsided a little bit.
Many unbearable hours later.
Okay, it's been probably about 10 minutes since I switched the camera off just to go and suffer in silence. Well, silence for you, not for me. God, that was horrific. Absolutely horrific. I thought the Death Nut Challenge was bad, but that was worse. It just latches onto your tongue and there's nothing you can do. The milk did nothing.
The goggles do nothing.
It was absolutely dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. The only reason this has subsided as much as it has is because I had to take extreme measures and chuck frozen sweet corn into my mouth. And if you think I'm joking, I'm not. That was absolutely ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. The toe of Satan, more like the of Satan, more like the of Satan. That was absolutely dreadful. If you ever think about trying this, then don't. Just don't. I mean, it's stupid. I'm stupid. You're stupid for doing it if you've done it. And quite frankly, the creator of this is stupid for ever thinking it up because that was horrific. On the Scoville scale, it's not as hot as the Death Nut Challenge, but in terms of just overall experience and pain, it is absolutely the worst thing I have ever put in my mouth. And that's saying something. Oh dear. Goodness me. But hey, at least that's a video in the bag and one to entertain you or commiserate. Hopefully if you've got some empathy, perhaps you'll feel sorry for me. But don't feel sorry for me, actually, this is my own stupid fault. Seriously, if you ever thought about doing this, then just don't. Just don't. It is ridiculous. Oh my God. Anyway, that's another spicy food challenge in the bag for maybe another year, who knows. But anything after that, goodness me, I don't think anything can be much worse than that. Then again, I said that about the Death Nut Challenge, but quite frankly, spicy lollipop is not the way to go because it just is the worst. I am going to go off and recover and probably then regret this again later on today. But anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then I mean, even if you didn't, just like the video, please, and subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to find out when new videos are going up. And I will see you, hopefully, next time on Big Foodie Geek, assuming I don't die after that mess. The toe of Satan, just don't.